Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 25. Richard bought 3 slices of cheese pizza and 2 sodas for $8.75. Jordan bought 2 slices of cheese pizza and 4 soda for $8.50. How much good an order of 1 slice of cheese pizza and 3 soda costs? So let's highlight the given informations. So we have 3 cheese pizza. I will denote the slice of cheese pizza as P. Okay, and then we have 2 soda. I will denote the soda as S. Okay, then we have that is the total amount for those things is $8.75. Then we also have 2 slices of the cheese pizza, 4 sodas for $8.50. The question is how much 1 slice of cheese pizzas, so 1 pizzas, and 3 soda costs. Okay, let's write that down. So we have 3 pizza, we add with 2 soda, that is equal to $8.75. So the letter P stands for the cost of 1 slice of cheese pizza, and then the letter S stands for the cost of 1 can of soda. So the first sentence given us the first equations. Now the second equations we have will be 2 slice of pizza, 2p. We're adding with 4 soda, that is $8.50. So this is our system of equations. 2 equations, 2 unknown, P and S. Okay, so the question right here is what is 1P plus 3S equal to? 1 slice of cheese pizza, the cost of 1 slice, we already know it, is P. So just P plus 3S equal what, right? So that is our questions. How much money we have to pay for it. Okay, so we go back with our system equations. How we solve for this one? So I will multiply the first equations by 2. And now it will become 6p plus 4s equal 2 times 5 is 10. Write 0, remember 1. 2 times 7 is 14, remember 1 is 15, write 5, remember 1. 2 times 8 is 16, remember 1 is 17. Okay, now I copy down the second equations is 2p plus 4s equal 8.50. This one means with the same ratio, I can buy double the amount of pre-slice of cheese pizza with 2 soda with the price $8.75. Now if I buy double the product, I buy 6 slices of cheese pizza with 4 cans of soda, I have to pay double amount of 8.75 cents, and that amount is 17.50 cents. So the ratio is the same, right? Now we subtract. So this is our first equations of second one. We subtract the first one. Now this is the first one, the second one. Okay. Now we subtract the first one to the second one. What we got? Top to top, left to left. Okay. Right to right. So 6p minus 2p is 4p. 4s minus 4s is 0s. 17.5 minus 8.5, that's 9. The purpose of multiply by 2 in the first step is to making sure that we can have the same amount of soda for the first equations and the second equations, this one, so that we can eliminate the variable s. So now we only have one variable to taking care of, is p, and that the cost of one slice of cheese pizza. So to find p, we divide both sides by 4. We have p equal 9 over 4. So the cost of one slice of cheese pizza is 9 over $4. Other way is a divided by 4 is 2, and then we have 1 divided by 4 is 25.25. $1 divided by 4, that dollars. So we have $2.25 for one slice of cheese pizza. We plug in that into the second one, right? So let's say p equal $2.25. Now the second equation become 2 multiplied by p is 2.25. Then we add 4s equal 8.5. Now our job is to find what is the price for a soda, which stand for s. So 2 times 2.25 is 4.5. Okay, now 4s will be equal, we subtract 4.5 from both sides. Okay, and it's make $4 for 4 cans of soda. So one soda will be divided by 4. Each side we have $1 each. Okay, so now we have the cost for one slice of cheese pizza is $2.25, and we have a cost of one soda is $1. Now our job is answer the questions. The slice of cheese pizza is $2.25 plus 3 cans of soda times 1. Okay, that equals 2.25 plus 3, that will be $5.25. So B will be the right answer. In this case, we use the eliminations method. To eliminate S. Add term for S right here. This one we use the fact that the ratio is the same, so we multiply by 2 both sides of the equations, make it balance. The same, but then at the same time we create the same amount of the S term to cancel out to eliminate later. So for all wording questions, first we have to list out all of the given informations. Then we have to find out what is our unknown. Our unknown is not necessary to be our questions. In this case, our unknown is the price of one slice of cheese pizza. What is its cost? And this is our unknown. This is unknown number 1. And then after that, we find out what is the unknown number 2. Unknown number 2, that is like the cost of a can of soda. So the third one is we find out all of the unknowns. Then we try to find the answer for the questions. So they're asking for one slice of cheese pizza, so they're asking for P plus 3 soda, so 3S. They're asking for that. Expressions is how much. Sometimes the unknown is the questions, but sometimes you have to find the unknown before you answer the questions. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.